Hey guys, I'm back with another Temu haul. We're doing nails today, so how cool is that? I love nails. I need to get my nails done, but I can't right now because I'm in construction, but you subscribers already know that. But the people that are new, let me tell you about Temu real quick. Download the app. Just download the app and spin the wheel and see what you get. I will have all of the links of every item that I show you today down in the description box, along with a coupon code that you are more than welcome to use. I urge you to use it. Also, you can go to temu.com, and I want to show you what I got because I'm excited about it. And I just picked up an outfit that just came in today that matches this that I'm going to show you in a different haul. Okay, these nails come with, those are the little glue tabs, and those, that is a, oh my gosh, what is it? It is, don't you hate when you just lose the words that you want to say? A nail file. That's what that is. It's a nail file, y'all. And y'all already knew that because, you know, you're smart. All right. These, like I said, I just got an outfit for these. And I'm going to have to get somebody to help me film that video with the clothes because I have so many different clothes. And I want to show you guys everything that I got. Now, all these items I purchased myself through Temu. I usually do the Temu.com. But anyway, I'm just rambling. I just want to show you what I got. Look at that. How pretty are those? They're so pretty. I feel like I'm just sitting here talking to my girlfriends. So, hey girlfriends and guy friends. I don't want to leave anybody out. But yeah, I'm getting more and more comfortable with the camera. And yeah, one day I will put makeup on. Not today. Like I said, I'm going through a lot right now. And I have health issues and child issues and all kinds of stuff that I'm going through. But I'm going to make it because we're survivors, right? Just like Ruben McIntyre, we are survivors. Temu offers so many different types of nails. It is so hard to decide which ones you want. And I'm not very good at deciding, so I pick up lots of them. They start, I think the cheapest one, or excuse me, the most inexpensive one, I seen was like 13 cents. I mean, really? 13 cents. What can you buy for 13 cents? That's crazy. But they do have the higher end ones. But these are reusable. You can wear them a couple of days, take them off, and clean them, and put them back in the box, and wear them again. Yeah, you can do that a couple of times. Or if you just have like a special outfit and you just want to wear them one time, then do that. Take them off and rewear them later. It's really cool. But these are pink, black, and silver. And it's got two different shades of pink. Really, really classy ones. How pretty are those? And I will have these listed below. These also come with the glue and the nail file. Uh-oh. Trying to put them back in the box. They come in little boxes like this that are easy to store because they are super, super flat or slim, whichever way you want to call it. Easy to store in your drawer. Oh, these are so pretty. They have, I don't know, 3 shades of pink. It has a pink and white ombre. The dimensional shapes on them. Look at those. while you're looking, I want to talk to you guys and let y'all know that I am recreating my channel. And I will be doing a front porch and a back porch and showing you what we started with our home, what we ended with our home. Our original home caught on fire and burnt down back in January. Not the January that just passed, but the January before that. So we bought this home and to replace our burnt home. And then we had problems here. I'm going to do a video on that and let you guys know all about that. It's definitely been a struggle, but I want you to see what just a couple of weeks and 3 hardworking individuals can accomplish. I want to put it out there that more people can do more things than what they ever thought possible, because I know that we have amazed ourselves and each other in this journey that we have been in. And I want to share that with you guys because y'all are my friends. Okay, these are beautiful. Love these. They have like a gold, oh, can't remember what you call those. I want to say like an ombre, but it's not an ombre because that's like one color to another. Not sure what you call it. It's kind of like like it would be raining or something. I don't know. I'm going to show you. And beautiful flowers. And please don't ask me what kind of flowers these are. If anybody knows, you can put it in the description box. I would gladly appreciate that. In case I do put them on and somebody asks, then I'll know what to tell them on what kind of flowers they are. But they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. How pretty is that? I kind of twist them around a little to make sure that you guys can see them, because I don't want the lights to mess them up where you can't see what they look like. I think you can see the flowers. Sorry if the video is not that good. I will get better at it, I promise. I just really, I want to share with you guys what I got, because I couldn't believe the prices and the quality of the items that I have received. And I just, you know, I don't want anybody to miss out on that. And I was kind of scared. I'll be honest with you. I was scared of spending money, my money, buying things and not getting what I thought I was going to get. And so far, Temu has impressed me. They have not let me down whatsoever. I mean, now mind you, I have not tried the laundry detergent yet, but I have tried the cleaning products, and that video is coming up. And it worked. It worked good. It put a shine on. That video is coming up. I'll tell y'all that in a later video. But you're going to love it, because you're going to be like, what? Yeah. Okay. Sorry about the rambling. These are pink and blue and a little bit of green with a beautiful butterfly. Show you these. How adorable. Love those. And it's like a teal green. It's not like a green green. It's like a teal. Really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see those. Okay. So, like I said, the links for all of these, along with the prices, hopefully I'll learn how to put the prices up on the screen as I'm showing the items. I guess you know that. I don't know that I know how to do that, but you'll know while you're watching the video if I learned how to do that. Root me on, because I'm going to try really hard. If there's any certain type of video or anything that you see on Temu that you are iffy about, just shoot it down in the comments, and I'll try to pick it up and do a haul on it and let you guys know whether to spend your money on it or not. And we can, you know, work it out like that. But yeah, so far, this was in the haul today. How cool is that? Love it. They're so pretty. I think my favorite pair would have to be these. Yeah. And like I said, I've got an outfit perfect for this pair that I'm going to show you in another haul. But yeah, I guess I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another Temu haul.